What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you watched the last video, I was doing a giveaway for the roll call tees, the lime green one, and all you had to do was comment down below in that last video. So the winner of the giveaway is Ernie Zamora. Just go to our Iceyyyboyz Instagram and DM us your info and we will send a shirt over. We do appreciate all the love and support, guys. I didn't expect all those comments to be coming out like that. It's pretty cool. So we will probably be doing more giveaways to give back to the ones that actually watch our videos and support it. And before I start the vlog, I wanted to give you guys a little update. We are releasing our new shirts next week. They will be like a new / old design that we had from probably 3-4 years ago, but I just wanted to release it again, and so stay tuned for that, guys, and we will be releasing it next Sunday, I think. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So anyways, enough of all this talk. Let's start this vlog. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I vlogged. Probably been like 2 weeks. I'm not gonna lie, but these past 2-3 weeks, this whole month, I've been super busy and I just haven't really been focusing on like videos and actual other stuff for you guys. I've actually been more focused on the new designs I've been putting out for you guys and the new shirts because there's been more and more orders since the second design came out, and I really do appreciate and love the support you guys have been giving us. It's super awesome. But anyways, so today I actually got a new bucket seat. It's like a, well, it's a bride wrap, but it'll do for now. It's pretty nice. I'll show you guys right now. So here she is, all wrapped up. I actually bought, we got a whole pair. Ow, there's a fucking spider web. So I actually got a pair with Travis, but of course he has the other one. We basically split it half-half, and this is the rep. It's pretty nice for a rep, but it's pretty comfortable too. It like tucks you in there. Super nice. The waist is I think 32 to 34, but it's super comfortable, surprisingly. But yeah, I just like the little pattern they got going on over here. I think this is also Dallas's seat too. But yeah, I'm gonna put this baby inside the sedan. I did order some brackets for it. We were gonna do stock brackets so that we could use the actual sliders, like the stock sliders that move back and forth, but we failed terribly. Yeah, we failed terribly. The seat actually came with some sliders, but not the brackets, so I ordered that, and it won't come in for like a week or two, so that's gonna suck. So that's gonna be out of commission. So I gotta wait to put it in the sedan. So yeah, I noticed that when I was doing the giveaway 2 weeks ago, I noticed that you guys were more active. So why don't you guys just comment down below anytime, any video. I see you guys were more active when I started giving out free shit. It's pretty funny. But thank you guys for actually participating in that little free giveaway. But yeah, I'll probably do more giveaways if you guys are active like that more often. But other than that, you guys are just active because you guys want the free shit. So right now I'm about to wash the wagon because I haven't washed this bitch in forever, and if you guys look closely, it is super dusty. But yeah, anyways, I'm actually gonna wash her because this Friday we are actually going to Austin's pop-up shop, the Never Content pop-up shop in Venice. So I've never went, and I always wanted to go since like last year, since he had it. But yeah, so me and the boys are supposed to be going on Friday, but yeah, and it's a long drive, and I just want my baby to look good, and hopefully I don't beat or anything, so probably gotta take extra spares. But anyways, I'm gonna go wash this thing right now. Hey, the beige, the tan interior. Ooh, it smells good in here. Let's see if this thing starts up. Ooh, of course! Automatic life, brother. Oh shit, what was that? Oh, we're straight. Oh! Rip. I just hit something. Oh shit! Alright, I'm about to fight one of my family members. I just fucking... I don't know what the... Goddamn machete! Fucking Vietnamese machete got in the way. I hope it didn't hit my fucking wheel. What the fuck? Who has this? What do you even use that for? Oh my god. Jesus. See, now you guys can see how dusty the fucking thing is. But yeah, been neglected. Same with her. Jeez. I still haven't got this hood painted yet, so that's why it's all fucking dirty. And the fender's still the same. I just haven't been keeping up with the cars, guys. I just been honestly trying to release new merch for you guys, new stuff, so that I can actually enjoy seeing my stuff out there. But I will take care of you guys again. Let's get this shower on. There we go. She's all cleaned up, ready to go. The thing I hate about my car the most is that it has so many nicks and scratches everywhere. Shout out to the previous owner. Same with the rear bumper. You guys can't see it. It's like all right there. Yeah. Just cleaned. All clean now. You see my reflection now. Yee! Look at that reflection. Look at that reflection, baby. Yee! Anyways, guys, I'm gonna keep this video short. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit updates on who won the raffle and what we've been doing for these past 2 weeks since we haven't been vlogging. I just have been really busy with your guys' orders and making new designs for you guys. But anyways, guys, I will be vlogging tomorrow at Austin's pop-up shop. So if you guys are not doing anything tomorrow, head to Venice or go to his Instagram and you'll see where it's gonna be, where the pop-up shop's gonna be. So you'll probably see me and the boys there, so say what's up. And hopefully I get those brackets in so I could do a video for you guys for the bucket seats. So yeah, I've been waiting for 2 weeks already. I've had that bucket seat for like a week and a half, and I ordered the brackets fucking a week ago. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And come on, guys, let's just be more active. Let's comment down below. Comment anything, honestly, because if it really takes me to give out free shit for you guys to comment, then what the fuck. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.